Welcome to this workshop, and I'd like to guide you through the process of creating a Figma account and what is going to happen as soon as you click on create account and all that stuff. So I've just went through the process of clicking on sign up and then choosing Google to sign up with. And as soon as you have acknowledged all these sign up things on your phone, then you can now start continuing the sign up process. So my name is Matthijs Mali. Let's say I do design. I do not want Figma's mailing list, and I create an account. It will start thinking for a little while, and then it will refer you to your like Figma home screen. So that is where you enter and where you come in. So a short tutorial will pop up. You can choose to follow this, but for now we will just click the cross and see what is on the page here. So on the left you will have an overview of all the projects and teams that you're going to be working with. It will by default show you your recent files that you've been working on. So let's first create a new team so we can start on this workshop. So we click on the button new team here, and we'll just call it the recipe team, since that is what we are going to make. Click create team, and your team will now be created. If you are collaborating with multiple people, you can add their email addresses, and they will be send an email or be invited to your workspace right away. We will skip that for now. And then we have to choose our plan. Since we are just trying out the software right now, I think it's very good to just go for the free one. But as soon as you start really actively collaborating, it's a very good choice to go for the professional plan. So let's pick choose starter. And another tutorial pop-up will be shown right away. We will close that for now. And as you can see, we now have a team on the left side here. And we can see the members that are in there. So in this case, it's just me. And let's create a new project within this team in order to get started. So let's call the project the recipe app and click create project. Now we have created our first project, and Figma is immediately trying to help us again by showing this tutorial. Let's close that for now as well. So within this recipe team, we now have a project called recipe app, and we can import files, but we can also create a new one from scratch. So if we just click new file, a new file will be created that we can start working on. And that is what we will be doing in the next lesson.